Good morning, fighters. So let's start the day with bang. I choose some Lalan top topic for the day and I will elaborate your every question and their answer for you. So tick tick 1, 2, 3. Let's check it out with a quote. So there will be quote for you. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. This line and quote is taken from Buddha. So we know that कि अगर आप किसी के लिए अच्छा करते हैं तो वो अच्छाई आप पे भी घूम के आते हैं लाइक कर्मा रूल. सो नाउ देयर विल बी अ क्वेश्चन that is will be the beginning of this session. So the question first, where is Bastille Day parade celebrated? So the Bastille Day parade is celebrated in France 14th of July. Now, when Youth Skill Day is celebrated, so Youth Skill Day is celebrated on 15th of July, and this is first initiated or proposed by Sri Lanka. Now, question number second, where is Kharchi Puja celebrated? So, Kharchi Puja is celebrated in Tripura, and Tripura capital is Agartala, and the CM of Tripura is Maniksa, and who is brand global tourism brand ambassador of Tripura? That is Saurabh Ganguly, the former captain of Team India. Where is Gulabi Shauchalaya scheme is initiated? This is also initiated in Tripura. Now question number third. Third time Prime Minister of Nepal, who became? So the KP Sharma became third time Prime Minister of Nepal and the President of Nepal is Ramchandra Paudil. Question number 4. Which state appointed first transgender sub-inspector? So the first transgender sub-inspector is posted in Bihar and her name is Manvi Madhu Kashyap. Question number 5. Bahura Yatra is celebrated in which state? So Bahura Yatra is celebrated in Orissa and this Yatra is related with Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra because in this Yatra Krishna Bhagwan taken her sister Subhadra and brother Balram for a visit of town. Now question number 6. Which state will ban high caffeine energy drinks who sells near state school campus? So this is the initiation taken by Maharashtra government. Question number 7. Who won Wimbledon 2024 championships? Men. So the men's 2024 Wimbledon championship is won by Carlos Alcaraz. So Carlos Alcaraz is from Spain. And if we see who won female Wimbledon 2024 championship, so Barbara Krejcikova won. Question number 8. Who became first female pilot who participated in exercise Pitch Black? So the exercise Pitch Black is celebrated in Australia and from India Bhavna Khan who participated in exercise Pitch Black and make a history for Indians. 9 number question SDG ranks. So if we see who became the first rank in SDG index, so Kerala became first in SDG index with a score 79 and Bihar became last state with 57 score. Now question number 10. Mosi voice assistant chatbot launched by which country? So Mosi is a voice assistant chatbot launched by France country. Question number 11. Chevalier de la Legion d'Honneur Award won by whom? So this is given to two peoples, Roshni Nadar Malhotra and Shashi Tharoor. Question number 12. World Youth Skill Day celebrated at, so I have also told you earlier, World Youth Skill Day is celebrated on 15th of July. Question number 13. In July, who became third player to take 200 wicket and score 600 runs, 6,000 runs? So Ben Stokes became the third player in world who do so, and Ben Stokes is from England. And before that, Gal Phil Sobers and Jack Callis do so. Question number 14. Mukhyamantri Mangla Pasu Yojana started by which state? So the Mukhyamantri Mangla Pasu Yojana is started by Rajasthan, and we know that कि 21 lakh animal will get benefited by this Mangla Pasu Yojana in Rajasthan. Niyad Nilnar scheme is started by which state? So Niyad Nilnar scheme will be started by Chhattisgarh government. Now Saras crane is official word of which state? So Saras crane is official word of state of UP means Uttar Pradesh, and this become in 2024. Now the article from the Hindu. So I have taken from the Hindu one article on unemployment. So what is unemployment? Willing and able to work but no job available in the scenario is known as unemployment. Means आपको काम करने की क्षमता है, चाह है, लेकिन आपको जॉब का अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है. Or if we see indicator of economic health, so we know that if the high employment, there will be low demand and supply in the market. So if you want to do high demand and more supply in the market, so there should be the less employment in the market. Now, if we see the current situation in India, in June 2024, high employment rate is 9.2%, and there is four type of unemployment. So if we go through it, the first is seasonal unemployment. So in seasonal unemployment we see temporary unemployment due to seasons. Like in agriculture, we see that there is more than four agriculture type in India in every 3 of months, and due to having seasonal change in agriculture, there is many employment in India. So this will be known as seasonal employment. Disguised unemployment, in this more workers than needed. Like if we see in any company there is a requirement of 10th marketing guy, and you have 20 financial guys. So there will be low productivity, and there will be low demand of that person. Now the third is structural unemployment, skill mismatch between workers and job market needs. Like you are from financial background, and I am giving you the work of HR. So there will be lots of change in this, as due to you have knowledge about finance, and I am giving you the work of human resource management. So this is also known a type of unemployment. Fourth type of unemployment is cyclical unemployment, and this employment is caused by economic downturns, recession. Like we see in India during the time of during the time of 2019 to 2021, during the time of COVID, there was a lots of recession in the market, and many people lose their job and business. So this will be included in cyclical unemployment. So now I will go and tell you about 16th of July current affairs. So this I will begins with question number first. World largest Ramayan temple will be built in which state? So the world largest Ramayan temple will be built in Bihar, and the district is the East Champaran. Now question number second. Who became third PM of Nepal? And I have also told in last session KP Sharma Oli, and now revised two more. Netherlands Prime Minister. So the Netherlands Prime Minister is Dick Sipu. Britain Prime Minister. So the Britain Prime Minister is Keir Starmer, and Keir Starmer is from Labour Party. Now question number third. New BSNL CMD. So the new BSNL CMD is Robert Gerard Ravi. Question number four. Fourth time European Football Championship in London won by which state? So the fourth time European Football Championship is won by Spain country, and this European Football Championship was started in 1960, and this time this is won by USSR, and France was organizer state during 1960 European Football Championship. Question number 5. Non-veg banned by which city of the world? So the first time non-veg banned by city of Palitana, which is in Bhavnagar district, state of Gujarat. And this become the first city who went non-veg. And we know that, let's know some fact about Palitana. So Satrunjay mountain is situated in Palitana region of Bhavnagar, and here we can see that this is the dominant place for Jain religion, as due to there is more than 200 temples in this region. So we can say that this become first place and first city who will ban non-veg. Now question number 6: Agrisure agriculture course started by which organization? So Agrisure agriculture course is started by NABARD, and NABARD is situated in Bombay. Question number 7: First e-sport Olympic will start by which country? So the first e-sport Olympic will start by Saudi Arabia, and Saudi Arabia will become the first one who will host first e-sport Olympic. Now question number 8: DD Robcon 2024 India organized by. So the DD Robcon 2024 is jointly organized by Prasar Bharati and New Delhi. Now question number 9: Who won gold medal in International Murtikala Championship? So uh, Sudarshan Patnaik from Odisha won International Murtikala Championship, and this was hosted in Russia, St. Petersburg. Now I will tell you question number 10. So the question number 10 is about who won World Championship Legend 2024. So India won World Championship of Legends, and India was winner of this World Championship Legend, और पाकिस्तान बिकम रनर अप. सो इंडिया ने 5 विकेट से हराकर वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीता. एंड हु वाज द कैप्टन ऑफ वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप लीजेंड्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड? सो युवराज सिंह. एंड हु बिकेम प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच इन द फाइनल? अंबाती रायडू. एंड द प्लेयर ऑफ सीरीज यूसुफ पठान. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11: SDG 2023-24 score of India. So there is 16 goal for SDG to achieve, and the goal to achieve, and India did 2024 and scored 71. Now question number 12: Paytm Payment new CEO. So the Arun Bansal become Paytm Payment Bank new CEO. Question number 13: 3D Ebra electrical boat started by. So 3D Ebra electrical boat started by Abu Dhabi, and 20 people can sit inside the boat. Question number 14: Best state who won State Horticulture Award 2024. So Nagaland became the best state who won State Horticulture Award 2024, and now revise 3 GI tag product from Nagaland. So the first one is Naga Mircha, second was Naga Tree Tomato, and third was Naga Sweets. Now question number 15: who will host 132 132 session of the Council of India International Maritime Organization? So the country or the place who will host the meeting of IMO is London. So in London, 132 session of Council of International Maritime Organization will be held, and the headquarter of IMO International Maritime Organization is Geneva, Switzerland. सो मैंने आपको बता दिया जो भी 15 और 16 जुलाई के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे करंट अफेयर्स के लिए. और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि मैंने एक आर्टिकल लिया था इंडियन एक्सप्रेस से, और वो था एसडीजी पे, क्योंकि वी नो डैट इंडिया को जल्दी से जल्दी एसडीजी पे काम करके उसको करना है. सो नीति आयोग fourth report shows that India SDG are improved from 57 point to 71. So we can see that Niti Aayog told that in India 2018 the point of SDG was 57, and in 2031 it becomes 71. So this is a marginal change in SDG index point. So India is growing day by day. And if we see what was the key improvement, so the key improvement was in education, poverty, health, and work efficiency. Now I will tell you about challenges remain in income equality and gender equality. So if we see India SDG progress, so if goal number one was poverty. So if we check poverty, so poverty rate down from 21.9 in 2011 to 10.2% in 2029. Plan Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for financial inclusion who have 430 million beneficiary. सो अगर आप देखते हैं कि पोवर्टी के अंदर तो अगर अगर 2011 में देखें तो 21.9% था, जो चेंज होकर 2019 में 10.2% पोवर्टी बच गया है। और इसके लिए सरकार ने जो निकाला है वो है प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, जिसके अंदर 430 मिलियन बेनिफिशरीज है। सेकेंड गोल जो है वो जीरो हंगर के लिए है, जिसके अंदर फूड ग्रेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टू 800 मिलियन पीपल ड्यूरिंग कोविड-19। और इसके लिए जो स्कीम है वो है प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना। और इसको जो है इसके लिए जो प्लान है उसमें फार्मर का जो इनकम है वो डबल करने के लिए रखा गया, 2022 तक रखा गया था। पीएम किसान स्कीम जो 110 मिलियन लोगों को बेनिफिट करेगा। गोल नंबर 3 गुड हेल्थ और वेलबींग के लिए अचीवमेंट इसमें ये है, इनफर्टिलिटी मोर्टेलिटी रेट जो है IMR इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट वो रिड्यूस हुआ है। 2009 में 56 था, जो घट के 28 हो गया है पर 1000 लिव बर्थ इन 2020। और इसके लिए जो प्लान है वो है आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम, जो हेल्थ कवरेज है 500 मिलियन लोगों के लिए। और अगर इंडिया का स्पेंडिंग देखे हेल्थ के लिए तो GDP 2.5% करना है 2025 तक। और अगर क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन का बात करें तो अचीवमेंट है कि ग्रोस इनरोलमेंट रेशियो है वो हायर एजुकेशन में बढ़ा है, जो 24.3% था 2014-15 में, वो बढ़ के 27.2% हो गया है 2019-20 में। और इसके लिए जो प्लान लाया गया क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन के लिए, तो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को स्टार्ट किया गया 2020 में, जिसके अंदर ग्रोथ इनरोलमेंट रेशियो है जो स्कूल में उसको बढ़ाना है 2030 तक। और गोल 5 जेंडर इक्वलिटी का अगर देखते हैं, इसके अंदर जो अचीवमेंट है उसमें वुमेन का जो अर्निंग रेशियो है उसको इम्प्रूव करना है, और वो इम्प्रूव हुआ है। अगर वुमेन का अर्निंग रेशियो 2015 में देखें तो 0.56% था, जो 2023 में 0.73% आ गया है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा इसमें ग्रोथ है। और इसके लिए जो प्लान है वो है बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, जिसके अंदर चाइल्ड का सेक्स रेशियो को इम्प्रूव किया गया है। अगर देखें चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशियो 2014 में 1918 था, जो 2021 में बढ़ के 931 हो गया, तो यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। और क्लीन वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन के लिए देखा जाए तो इसके अंदर जो अचीवमेंट है वो ये है कि 600 मिलियन जो है सैनिटेशन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड किया गया है लोगों को स्वच्छ भारत मिशन की तरफ। और एक इसके लिए प्लान लाया गया जल जीवन मिशन, जिसके अंदर 100% घरों में पाइप से पानी पहुंचाना है, रूरल और अर्बन एरिया दोनों में। और इफ वी सी अरुणाचल बिकेम द फर्स्ट स्टेट जहां पे 100% लोगों को नल जल योजना का जो लाभ है वो मिल चुका है। नाउ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट 7 नंबर अफोर्डेबल एंड क्लीन एनर्जी। सो वी नो दैट अफोर्डेबल एंड क्लीन एनर्जी इज फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर कंट्री। So if we see that we are totally 50% of our energy resources are dependent on coal, and we know that कि coal is a ending process, so एक न एक दिन coal खत्म हो जाएंगे। So before that we have to rely on renewable energy and try to make more energy from all renewable energy resources. So under this, if we see the achievement, renewable energy capacity reached 100 gigawatt in 2021, and the plan is to achieve the target of 450 gigawatt in 2030, 400 gigawatt in 2030, and we already achieved 175 gigawatt in 2022. So these all was to write if any question asked in mains question. And now I will tell you from some of from map question. So I have already given you many maps. So now I will tell you कि I will provide you map of mountain and passes. So I will uh, pick all the mountain and passes on map in next session of 17th of July and revise and write all these things. And I have given you information about SDG and unemployment, and these both are very good topic and good question for mains writing. So you can write means on SDG and unemployment in 200 words. So the question will be what is SDG and how we will gonna achieve all SDG index. And second question, what is unemployment, and uh, explain all four type of unemployment. And the question number three will be uh, tell me about how many time national emergency implemented in India. So thank you for 15th and 16th July, and I will bring some more and good question in 17th of July. So thank you so much. Revise all the question and have a good day.